Hello dear students and welcome to this video. This video will help you answer the question, what time is it? And after this video you should be able to read all these clocks. Let's start with this first slide. These are the numbers we need to tell the time. Make sure you know how to spell all of them. This picture will also help us explain the different clocks. We use the long hand to talk about the minutes, and we use the shorthand or hour hand to talk about the hours. Okay, let's go. We start with these two simple clocks. We only have to look at the hour hand. On the first clock, it's 6 o'clock. And on the other clock, it is 11 o'clock. But we can also say this in another way. We could also say that it is 6 a.m. and it's 11 p.m. Two things to remember here. First of all, let's talk about o'clock. It might sound a bit weird, but that's because of this. 200 years ago, people said it is 6 on the clock. Through the years, people made this shorter, and now we say it's 6 o'clock. Secondly, the Belgian and British clock are not read in the same way. We have a 24-hour clock, whereas the Brits use a 12-hour clock. So, in order for the Brits to know if you're talking about the morning or evening, they add AM or PM. AM stands for ante meridiem and is before noon. PM stands for post meridiem and is afternoon. Now we're going to focus on the minute hand. To talk about the right half of the clock, we need to use the word past a lot. Past is the English word for the Dutch over. So instead of saying 5:05, we say it's 5:05. We will use past a lot. On the second clock, it's 5:10, then it's 5:15, it's 20:05, it's 5:25, and on the last clock, it's 5:30. So for the right half of the clock, we use past. But of course, we can use another word instead of 15 and 30. We read these clocks like this. It's 5:15 or it's 5:30, but the better way is this. It's 5:15 and it's 5:30. So we prefer that you use quarter and half. Let's focus on the left half now. We do not longer use past, but now we're going to use to a lot. To is the English word for voor. So instead of saying 5:06, we're going to say 5 to 6. Let's have a look at these clocks. On the first clock, it's 25 to 6, then it's 20 to 6, it's 15 to 6, it's 10 to 6, and it's 5 to 6. So we always use to. And again, we can say it's 15 to 6 here, but we could also say it's 5:45. We don't use the word half here because we can only say it's half past and then the hour. That's it for my explanation. Good luck with the exercises.